Hello, General Education 251 students of Contemporary American History. This is a PowerPoint presentation, the first of 3 videos where we're going to discuss Academic Search Premier, which is going to be the search engine that you're primarily going to be drawing your primary and secondary source material for your final paper, which is on the syllabus. So if we could take a look at the course description from the syllabus, we want to remember that this course is designed to develop an understanding of social, economic, and cultural challenges and achievements in U.S. life as they are reflected in history. The emphasis is on domestic affairs, supplemented by foreign concerns that have presented fundamental choices to the American people. The course will embrace the enormous changes that have created contemporary American politics, society, and the new global role of the United States. Now, the underscored information here is what is going to be the focus of the 3 videos that we're going to be looking at today for the tutorial. Students will be required to write a 10 to 20 page research paper within this time period in U.S. history on a topic chosen in concert with their professor, utilizing primary and secondary scholarly resources. So how are you going to go about getting the primary and secondary scholarly resources? Well, we all have access through MTI College to the EBSCOhost database. EBSCOhost hosts several different databases, and one of those databases is going to be Academic Search Premier. Now, this is a leading multidisciplinary research database. It provides full-text journals, magazines, and other valuable resources. What it's going to provide for us is going to be from an historical context. There are great journals and articles that can be found in Academic Search Premier that will cover 99% of the topics that we're going to find in this U.S. history course, this contemporary American history course. The content of Academic Search Premier is fairly robust. It's got 3,200 active full-text journals and magazines, 2,800 active full-text peer-reviewed journals, more than 1,300 active full-text peer-reviewed journals with no embargo, and it also has 2,200 active full-text journals indexed. So there is a lot of information here that's going to be available in Academic Search Premier. All right. Continuing the conversation of just exactly what is it, it covers expansive academic disciplines offered in colleges and universities. And it's going to do that providing you with PDF files. All right. And these PDF files are going to be the regular articles and journal writings that were originally appeared in the different specific peer-reviewed journals and book reviews that are going to form the backbone of any academic paper that you're going to write. You want to not try and reinvent the wheel. You're just going to lean on the experts here in this particular class for this particular exercise. Find out what well-trained historians and other professionals have to say about the particular topic that you choose, and then cite them properly in the paper. So that's going to be the currency of what we're going to be working on in this particular class, developing a topic and then refining it to develop the thesis, and then using Academic Search Premier to find the information written by experts that's going to help back up the thesis that you want to use and argue in your paper. All right. Not only does it have journal articles, but it also offers video content, and that's a great way to supplement papers now in the computer age. Pictures, embedded video, embedded video content, video audio files. Look to incorporate some of this type of technology, these new technologies, into your paper when you submit it online to create this much greater sum than what the parts are. All right. So let's get into looking at just exactly what we're going to be doing with this database and how we search this database. And that's going to begin with video number 2. So what I need for every student in the class right now is to sign into your Moodle account on the MTI College webpage. Select EBSCO databases, and then we're going to select as the database that we wish to search Academic Search Premier. And that's going to be the content for this first video. We're going to move on to the second video where we actually talk about how to search the database.